Hi, welcome to the course Using Python in an HPC environment. Day 2, its introduction. And I'll be walking you through this introduction here. And the goals of this session is that you've read what you will learn, that you have downloaded and extracted the exercises, that you understand how the day is organized, and that you can find your NAISS project. So why is this course important first? So it's called HPC Python. And that has two components, Python and HPC. Python is one of the most used programming languages in the world, so it's likely you will face it and encounter it and use it. The second part is HPC. HPC means high performing computing, and with HPC clusters you can do very tough calculations. And probably you're following this course to do this, to run Python, to make it do massive computation, or maybe you need massive amounts of storage, or you need to use sensitive data, you need to store this somewhere safe. In all these three use cases, you can use HPC computing for this. So this is why the course HPC Python is important. Python is one of the most used programming languages in the world, and you can do big computations with it, and you want this big computations or storage or sensitive data with it. I'll walk you through the exercises. Let's count them. There's 2 exercises. Exercise 1 is about finding out what we are going to learn today. That's exactly the goal of this exercise. So I'll just go to that form. I open it in a separate tab and I'll go there to walk you through it. So this exercise gives you a form. Let's scroll down a little bit and we can see a bit. And let's take a look. With this exercise, we'll discover what we'll learn today. Give your confidence levels of the following statements using this scale. 0, I don't even know what this is about. 1, I have no confidence, low confidence, some good confidence I can do this. And 5, I absolutely can do this. So what are the statements? I can find and load a Python package module. I can determine if a Python package is installed. This exercise is our learning outcomes for today. So would this not be a YouTube video, I would ask you to do this exercise now. Instead, I move on with this session. Exercise 2 is downloading and extracting the exercises. We have like a collection of files. It's called a tarball, which contains a lot of files that you'll be using in this course. And for this, we have this session. I'll open it in a separate tab here. And this session describes how to use that tarball with exercise. It has a procedure. This procedure has 6 steps. Here you can see them too. And this procedure also has videos for most of the HPC clusters. So you don't need me talking about this again. So go download that tarball, and when you're done, go to the next session, which is, well, just clicking it on here. But before I do that, I want to show you how the day is organized and how you can find your NAISS project. So at the left, we see in the comment section, we see the schedule. Here we see the course dates, and this day, which is day 2, here you can see how the day is organized and who's doing what. So we start at 9 o'clock, which is now, and we end at 4 with an evaluation. In between, we'll be doing all the things we've just seen in our exercise with the learning outcomes, and with some luck, there are a lot of things you don't know yet. To go back, and additionally, in our introduction, which is here at day 2 introduction, you'll be using on some kind of project. Where can you find these? If you ever need some kind of batch scripts, in common you also have the NAISS project overview. And these are the projects that we'll be using in the course, and here you can find a table where you can extract your exercises. Going back to the introduction, I have just gone through all of them. Now you will know what you'll be learning today. You have downloaded and extracted the exercises. You've seen the schedule, you can find at the left, and you can find the NAISS project, which you've also seen here at the left under the comments section. With that, I conclude this video and I wish you a very good day. Bye!